At its heart thunders Palouse Falls, where the river plunges nearly 200 feet into a basalt canyon. The roar echoes off canyon walls, a display of raw power in an otherwise arid land. The canyon's layers reveal a fiery past, ancient lava flows stacked like geological history books. But its most dramatic chapter came during the last ice age, when the Missoula floods carved deep coulees and left scars across the land. Palouse Falls Canyon is a remnant of this ancient deluge, a testament to forces beyond imagination. Standing at the rim, you feel the scale of time and power that shaped our world. Dr. Eleanor Vance, a geology professor, recalls a student finding a saber-toothed cattooth here, a tangible link to the megafauna that once roamed these hills. The landscape is a living museum, its history written in stone and fossil,